my friends, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making homemade cinnamon roll. Okay, let's get started. Please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Wow, this looks so delicious. This is all we're going to use today for our homemade cinnamon roll. Okay, let's put our milk inside the cooking pot. We will grab one egg, mix it really good, and put it inside the pot with the milk, and start cooking. Don't forget to keep mixing it at the same time. Let's add 6 spoons of sugar. Again, keep mixing it. It's very important, please don't forget. Add some vanilla powder. Keep mixing. We will add some flour powder, little bit butter. Mixing, we are mixing. Let's keep mixing. All day long, keep mixing. Now I can see this is ready. Let's put it inside a big bowl. Philadelphia sour cream. Put the whole thing in there and mix it with a mixer. When it's nicely mixed, cover it with a nylon. Heat up a bowl of milk inside a microwave. Put a whole butter inside a cooking pot to melt it down so we can use it for later on. Let's move to our mixer so we can start making our dough. Put milk inside the mixing bowl with 2 eggs, small cup of sugar, vanilla powder, the most important cinnamon after all, it is a cinnamon roll. A little bit of yeast, baking powder, now we will use our melted butter, now let's start mixing it. Let's add 11 spoons of flour, then mixing it again. More spoons of flour, then start mixing it again. Now it's ready. Put it inside a clean bowl with some flour and mix it very well with your hands until it's ready. Make small balls and put some vinegar on it. Cover it with a nylon. Leave it like that for 20 minutes until it's ready. 20 minutes is past, now it's ready. Let's use one of them. First, let's make it nice and flat. Use one bowl, put some sugar and cinnamon with some vanilla together and mix it very well. And spread it out all over the flat dough until it's all nicely covered. Guys, let's try to roll it exactly the way I am rolling it. As soon as we're done rolling it, it will look like this. Now we can start cutting it in small pieces. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the oven. Okay, now it's ready. Oh my god, this looks so good. Please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button and the notification bell. I'll see you guys next time. See you.